Dear students, in the previous class we have started a discussion about NTSE model bits. NTSE model bits. In the previous video we discussed 4 different model type of questions. So that discussion will continue in this class. So today we will start with our discussion. We will start our discussion with question number 5. Question number 5. Here, one of the important model in your NTSE questions, that is assertion and reasoning questions. So question number 5, that is a model comes under assertion and reasoning. So here assertion will given here as one statement and the reason also given. First of all, I will give some tips to give answer for assertion and reasoning type of questions. First of all, here the question we will discuss once. Assertion. Robert Clive arrived to Bengal with a strong army in the year 1757. Reason. Black Room tragedy is also one of the reasons for the Battle of Plassey. 1757 means we know that which battle fought in that year, that is the Battle of Plassey. So here the first step while you are giving answer for this type of questions, don't afraid with difficult words like assertion and reasoning. You forgot about it. Assertion you forgot and reason you forgot. That is the first thing. The first technique you must follow. Forget about difficult words in that question, that is assertion and reasoning. The second step, read the statement individually. The second one, statement we have to read individually. Individually we must read the question. So now we will start individually. Robert Clive arrived to Bengal with a strong army in the year 1757. Say it is correct or not? It is a correct statement or not? Yes, it is a correct statement. In the year 1757, he attacked Bengal with a large army, huge army. Coming to the second statement, forget about these words, assertion and reason. Now, read the second statement individually. Black Room tragedy is also one of the reasons for the Battle of Plassey. Is it a true or a false? Yes, of course it is a true. There are 3 reasons for the Battle of Plassey. The first reason is misuse of dastak, mending of the fort, and the Black Room tragedy. Black Room tragedy, in which year it happens? Black Room tragedy? Black Room tragedy, that will be in 1756, that will happen. 1756. So now second statement also correct. So now second step we completed, right? We read the statement individually. So third one, play with options. I hope you are clear with this question, right? First of all, we forgot about the difficult words, that is assertion reasoning, completed. The second step, we have to read the statement individually. Yes, we read the statements individually, we read. What is the third step here? Play with options. Okay, let us start about the options what given here. Consider the fourth option what given. A is false but R is true. Observe these 2 statements here. Is it any statement is false? No. So remove this answer. That is wrong. Why? Because in that option they are given A is false, but A is the correct one here, and R is true. Even it is correct, but they mentioned here A is false. So option 4 delete from your list. It is not a right answer. Now check option number 3. A is true and R is false. Actually here 2 statements are correct, but in option what is there? A is true given, that is correct, but they mentioned R is false, that is wrong. R is correct here. So eliminate option number 3 also. So dear children, now we have probability 50-50. We have two options. Remaining two options eliminated. Among the two options, compulsory there will be one right answer. Okay. Second option. So come to the third option. Sorry, first option. Both A and R true. Correct. Both statements are correct only. Further extraction what they given? R is the correct explanation of A. Here R what? Black. They are giving that. They are mentioning that black room tragedy is one of the reasons for the Battle of Plassey. Is it correct or not? Yes, it is a correct. It is a one of the reasons for the Battle of Plassey. So 99.999% answer we got it now. So now both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay. Last, we should not leave the option number second also. A and R is true, correct only, but A is not a correct explanation of R. Among these two statements, which event is first? Black Room tragedy is the first, 1756. Battle of Plassey 1757. In the option number 2, what they are giving? A is not a correct explanation of R. Means they are saying that assertion is not explaining reason. That is wrong. Always reason must explain assertion. So now, of course, now we got the 100% right answer, right? Which is nothing but option number 1 will be the right answer. Both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Dear children, if you are following this technique step by step, so compulsory you will get a right answer among the follow options. What are the steps? Again I am repeating. First of all, afraid, don't afraid with the difficult words. Remove this one. Remove assertion, reasoning, eliminate that 2 words. After that, read the statements individually. Robert Clay. So assertion what given individually we must read, and the reason what they give individually we must read. After that, play with options. Remember, if both statements are correct means further analysis you must do. Is there any relation in between that two statements or not? Relation means what? R is the right explanation or not? After you know if it is a right explanation, you will find answer. If it is not a right explanation, you will find answer. Is there no relation in between among these two? You will find answer. Both will correct or both will false. So this is the way to give answer for assertion and reasoning type of question. So dear children, here what is the right answer? Both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. So that is the way to give answer for assertion and reasoning type of questions. So question number 6. Next model question. Here, identify the right pair, right combination. Pair means right combination from the following given list. See, children, I told to you, matching also one of the important model type of question for the NTSE point of view. So here our question is identify the right pair from the following list. Identify the right pair from the following list. What is the first pair? Battle of Buxar. Battle of Buxar. 1764. Battle of Buxar 1764. In between whom Battle of Buxar takes place? The combined army of Mir Qasim. The combined army of Mir Qasim Shuja-ud-Dawla and one more who? Mir Qasim, Shuja-ud-Dawla and Shah Alam. Against to whom? British. At that time, British army led by Hector Munro. Hector Munro led the British army. So here Battle of Buxar, right information is 1764 that war takes place. Mir Qasim, Suja-ud-Dawla and Shah Alam versus British. That is the basic information what we discussed in the previous class. Now here the question is given. Battle of Buxar, Mir Jafar and Robert Clive. Maybe Robert Clive is correct, but what they are given here, Mir Jafar. If they gave Mir Qasim means you can consider the right answer. But here they gave Mir Jafar and Robert Clive. So this is the wrong option, wrong matching. Next, Battle of Vandilash. Vandilash battle which year is 1760. Battle of Vandilash 1760. In between whom? French and the British. French and the British. Sir Eyre Court, Comte de Lally. Sir Eyre Court and Comte de Lally. That is there in the year 1760. In between whom? French and the British. But Vandilash battle, they mentioned here Portuguese and East India Company. This is also wrong answer. Next, Battle of Protonova. Battle of Protonova. First of all, let me give some information about. Battle of Protonova. Battle of Protonova takes place in the year 1781. 1781. In between Mysuru Kingdom. In between Mysuru Kingdom and East India Company. At that time, what is going on? Second Anglo-Mysore War is going on. Second Anglo-Mysore War. During Second Anglo-Mysore War, the person who ruling Mysuru Kingdom means Hyder Ali. First two, actually 4 wars happened. First Anglo-Mysore War, Second Anglo-Mysore War, Third Anglo-Mysore War, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War, Second Anglo-Mysore War fought by Hyder Ali. Third and fourth fought by Tipu Sultan. So here, during the time of Second Battle of Anglo-Mysore War, Battle of Protonova takes place. Means third option is Battle of Protonova, Siraj-ud-Dawla and French. It is also wrong. Fourth option consider same battle they give. Battle of Protonova. But here matching what they given? Hyder Ali and East India Company. East India Company is nothing but British. I told you right 1781 in between whom? Mysuru Kingdom and East India Company. So Mysuru Kingdom means Hyder Ali and East India Company. So option 4 is the right answer for this question. So dear children, here also we must give answer by elimination method. Options which are not correct, those options you must eliminate with your information. That is the reason why every information about every battle you must know along with the years, then only you are eligible to find out answer. You are able to find out a correct answer for the particular question. So this is the question type, that is match the following. So children, question number 7. Sometimes in your NTSE question paper, some of the questions they will ask directly also. 1 or 2. You don't expect more questions directly there. So here, what is the question number 7 here? The treaty which is responsible to get back Madras by the British from the French. Means, as per which treaty the French is returned back to whom? British. This is clear or not? Madras is an important trade center of British. So this concept where we get to know in the first Carnatic War. In the first Carnatic War, French people got victory, right? But as per the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty, Madras is captured by the French. But as per the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, Madras is given back to the British. So there we discussed, right? La Bardenois, he taken some money from the British and he returned Madras back to the British. Here the question is, as per which treaty Madras is given back to given back to get back Madras by the British from the French, means British got Madras back from the French. So this is all related to first Carnatic War. The first Carnatic War ended with which treaty? Axla-Chapel Treaty. So here the answer is Axla-Chapel Treaty. As per Axla-Chapel Treaty, Madras is the important trade center that is given back to the British by the French. Okay, let us move on to the question number 8. This kind of model already we discussed in the previous session. Again, see, identify the given regions in the map. Map is given there. Identify the given regions. Some places are identified. Those places we must identify as per the alphabet which is marked over there. Listen, identify the given region in the map with their corresponding European settlements. Here A, B, C, D. So as per the marked places, A which place, B which one, C which one, D which one. Correct group of places where they are mentioned, that is the right answer. Now see, A, here this is Ahmedabad, important trade center of British only, Ahmedabad. Here Broch, now it is known as Baruch. It is also there in Gujarat state. It is also one of the British settlement. Now it is called with the name of Baruch, formerly known as Broch. This is Machilipatnam, gateway of fish, British trade center. Chandranagar, it is also British trade center. So what is A here? Ahmedabad. B what here? Baruch, formerly known as Broch, and C is Machilipatnam. D is what? Chandranagar. Okay. Let us check option number 4. A, Machilipatnam. Observe once. Is A is marked with Machilipatnam here? No. This is wrong. Completely wrong. First option only we get to know. Second C and third option C. A alphabet. In the option they are given Broch. But here A alphabet what here? Ahmedabad. So this is also wrong. Next, option number 2C, second option A, Chandranagar. Here the Chandranagar is marked with the alphabet D, but here Chandranagar is given alphabet A. This is also wrong. So now one and only given option which is left over here, option number 1, A, Ahmedabad, correct. B, Broch, Baruch, correct. After that, C, Machilipatnam, that is also right location. And D, Chandranagar, that is also right location. Means what? What is the conclusion here? All the British settlements are given here. As per the alphabet, we have to know the right option here. Listen carefully. A, Ahmedabad, correctly marked. B, Broch, correctly marked with alphabet. See, here A, Ahmedabad, here A, Ahmedabad, both are one only, matched. B, Baruch and B, Baruch, correctly matched. C, Machilipatnam, correctly is there. And D, Chandranagar, correctly is there. So, first answer will be the right. So, my dear children, you should be very careful while you are giving answer for map related questions. Children, here it is the question number 9. So, this is a different model. Another important model in our NTSE point of view, that is a true or false model. True or false means here in a question 4 statements they will give. Among that 4 statements you have to identify the right sequence of a order based upon that true or false. Example, here the options are given T, 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 F. Second one T, F, T, T. Third one F, T, T, T. And the fourth one TTFF. TTFF. So now here, listen. Choose the correct sequence of option indicating given statements. Result of Battle of Plassey. So here, in order to give answer for this question, you must know the information about the result of Plassey War. The Plassey War takes place in which year? 1757, right? So now the first option. This war brought immorality, lack of unity, greed of Indian businessman. Yes, this is the right result. This statement is true. Just you check once the result of the outcomes of Battle of Plassey, you will get the first point. This one, the war brought immorality, lack of unity, greed of Indian businessman. This is a true statement. Next, Siraj-ud-Dawla become the Nawab of Bengal. Is it true? No, it is a false statement. Why? Because means Battle of Plassey held. It is fought in between Siraj-ud-Dawla and Robert Clive. After Battle of Plassey, who became a Nawab of Bengal? Mir Jafar. Why? Because means Mir Jafar entered into an agreement with Robert Clive, so that in the war he is a neutral. If he is a neutral in that war, means after that war he will appointed as Nawab of Bengal. So here they gave option Siraj-ud-Dawla became a Nawab of Bengal. It is a false statement. If they give instead of Siraj-ud-Dawla Mir Jafar, means it is the right one. Okay. Next, company gained exclusive rights over Bengal. It is also true statements. Yes, they got all the rights over Bengal, and finally Mir Jafar had to pay huge amount as a war relief. Why? Because means Siraj-ud-Dawla attacked the port of British. For the attack of Siraj-ud-Dawla, Mir Jafar had to pay amount as a war relief. This statement also true. So now arrange the sequence here. TFTT. First statement is true, second statement is false, third statement also true, fourth statement also true. So TFTT. So where you find that sequence here? TTTF. This is wrong. TFTT. Yes, check it once. Order TFTT and TFTT. This is the right answer. TFTT, and remaining on all will be the wrong options. So we have to check the sequence of true or false. That sequence we should search in the options. Whichever sequence of options will match to that one, that is a right answer. So this is a different model question, that is true or false. Okay. Question number 10. This is also map related question, but easy manner they ask here. The location shown on the map is given here. One and only location they are identified. This location you may get to know the place, right? This is which state here? Kerala. Correct or not? So remaining places they did not mark anywhere. So the location shown on the map, one and only location, that was an important French colony. They asked directly, which is the French colony shown on the map given there. So in this map, one and only place located, that place is in Kerala, right? So options: Chandranagar. Chandranagar, where it is located? Chandranagar is a British colony. Here it is located. This is wrong. Goa. This is Portuguese. Here it will be located. That is also wrong. Mahe. Yes. Mahe is an important trade center of French in India, that is located in Kerala. Here you may get confused. Pondicherry also one of the important trade center of French. But a Pondicherry location where it will come? In the eastern side it will come. Here it will come. But here they are given, right? This is Mahe, that is there in Kerala. So Mahe is the right answer. So this is the type of question, easy manner they will ask map related. So dear children, I hope you are very clear. Today in this session we discussed 5 questions, question number 5 to question number 10. So my kind advise to the students, you must follow all the models of NTSE. So still further questions from the first lesson we will discuss in the further class. Thank you. Have a nice day.